Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing Sportsfire. That's right, a sporting channel for all your sporting needs. From basketball to football, or soccer as Americans call it, tennis, all variety of sports at your fingertips. We have now partnered with IPVANISH to bring you this fantastic VPN deal, a whopping 83% off the 2-year plan. Every click, every search, every download is your digital footprint being permanently recorded. Most VPNs protect you, but then they save your encrypted data to a hard drive. A permanent record, it's a target. If it's there, it can be found, it can be decrypted. IPVanish changes everything, introducing RAM-only servers across 19 global locations. RAM is temporary memory. It's not a hard drive, which means your data is completely wiped clean with every single reboot. No logs, no history, no trace left behind. This is the next generation of privacy. This is true peace of mind, and right now you can lock in a superior protection for an incredible 83% off on the 2-year plan. To receive this fantastic offer from IPVanish, 83% off, the links are in the description and the pinned comment, or you can use the QR code on the screen. Before we install, we will need the downloader software. So if you do not have this, then just go to find, down to the search, and type in downloader. As soon as you see it in the list, you can select it. This is the one you want to install. Once installed, we will need to check the settings. So we do this by going to iFire TV and checking in developer option. If you do not see this, click about, and on the model of your Firestick, just press the select button 5 to 6 times. Then you'll see the message at the bottom saying you are now a developer, which will enable you to see this option, developer options. Once inside, we go to install unknown apps and just ensure that downloader is on so that it can install software. So once you have downloader installed, you can open it up, double click to get into this section where we can enter in the code, which is 34676117. Then we'll click on go. Click on install. Done, and then delete the install files as usual. Okay, so back on the home screen, we will go to apps and then launch the Sportsfire application. I'll just skip the update for now. Click OK. There you have it. Number of channels for you to explore at your leisure. Thanks for watching. If this has helped you out, then please give the video a like, share and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.